Investigators trying to solve this mystery are pointing to two new pieces of evidence that indicate Amtrak 188 may have been hit by some sort of projectile prior to crashing. They interviewed the assistant conductor of Amtrak 188, who says that prior to the crash, she heard a radio transmission that took place between the Amtrak dispatcher and the engineer of a nearby SEPTA train. The engineer of that SEPTA train saying that his windshield had been struck by some sort of projectile. She says that she then heard from 32-year-old Brandon Boston tell the Amtrak dispatcher that Amtrak 188 had been hit as well. They're also taking a look at that windshield, a circular marking on the lower left-hand side. They've called in the FBI for forensic analysis. Now, adding to this mystery, we're hearing from passengers from a third train that was in that area that night at around the same time. We spoke to passenger Cam Desai, who was on board an Amtrak Acela train. He says that prior to the Amtrak 188 derailment, about 15 minutes beforehand, he said that his train was hit by some sort of projectile. It struck the window right in front of him, and he said he was terrified.
I think all of us were a little bit definitely alarmed, and we'd never heard that loud of a sound on the train. We take the train pretty often between DC and New York, so it was definitely frightening, and we didn't really know what was going on. But as soon as we stood up and we saw that there was this glass shatter, but it hadn't gone all the way through, and the conductor made it sound like it wasn't too big of a deal, so we really didn't think anything of it.
Now, initially, authorities had discounted these reports of projectiles hitting other trains as unrelated, but clearly this morning investigators taking a look at this very seriously.